Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. Temperatures are in the 40s outside this morning. It's cloudy and cool. We have areas of showers out there, and we're going to keep a chance for a shower in the forecast throughout the day. Here's a look at the widespread rain that moved through during the overnight hours. There were a couple of flashes of lightning down across parts of Ohio, Indiana, and even back out to our west. For us, it's just about these lingering showers as we move on throughout the day. Now, it's not going to rain all day, but throughout the day we'll all have a chance of rain. You can see these spotty showers that continue to develop, and then they flare up during the overnight hour or during the afternoon and evening hours, and then they settle back down through the overnight hours as a push of cooler air works into Metro Detroit. So today we'll look for a high that'll peak in the upper 50s, a little cooler up to our north and west, but still in the 50s, and then tomorrow we cool down. But cloudy, mild, rain showers around the south wind at 5, 45 degrees tonight, rainy, cool, rain tapering very late tonight and early tomorrow. Friday, look for a high of 54, 53 Saturday with showers around. We set our clocks back an hour Saturday night into Sunday morning. Look at Sunday, 64 degrees. We're in the upper 50s on Monday, above average for this time of year with a 40% chance of rain, and then temperatures cool for Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.